This is an unboxing and test of the Rode Videomic Go. This is a lightweight on-camera directional microphone from Rode, which is primarily designed to be used with DSLRs. It comes with a 2-year warranty and features a suspension system called Rode Lyre, which is designed to reduce noise caused by vibrations reaching the microphone. It doesn't require a separate battery and it's only 73 grams in weight, so it adds almost nothing to the weight of the camera. Okay, so let's get the box opened. First of all, we have a standard 3.5mm mini jack cable, which is coiled so it's nice and compact. Next we have a quick start guide, which just has some very basic information and diagrams on how to set up and use the microphone. And finally, the microphone itself. When you pick it up for the first time, it is incredibly light. It has a removable foam windshield, which has Rode printed on the sides. It slides off very easily. You can just see the holes there in the end. The base has a standard hot or cold shoe mount, and the mount is also threaded so that you can attach it to tripods or monopods if needs be. Here you can see the Rode Lyre suspension system, which is designed to prevent noise from camera handling, cable noise and bumps from reaching the microphone. On the back of the microphone you can see the input for the 3.5mm jack. Connecting the microphone to a DSLR is very easy. You just remove the hot shoe cover and slide in the microphone. Then plug one end of the audio cable into the back of the microphone and the other end into the external microphone input on the camera. And that's the microphone set up and ready to use. I'm going to show you some test footage now with similar scenes shot twice. Once using the Nikon D5200's internal microphone, and second using the Rode Videomic Go, so that you can hear how they compare, especially in relation to wind noise.